This truck's gonna be the dang death of me, I'm telling you. I mean, it's my fault I took on the project, right? I decided I was gonna tear this thing all down and do all the things to it. Winter's hitting, and I mean, I got a garage, but it's not really big enough to work on the whole truck in here. So I've been trying to take care of little doodads and parts and things. I'm gonna show you what I got going on. I'll just give you a little quick tour. Sure. I've been painting. So there's tape on there. I taped up the parts that didn't need to be painted. So, yep, my garage is a total wreck, so just avoid that. Oh, yep, tripping over the Alumabrite. Normal. Yeah, tools just scattered about everywhere. First of all, you gotta clean these things, scuff them, degrease them. So, let's see, this stuff here has been pretty good on really greasy engine parts and whatnot. And then after I get it cleaned up and scuffed or scuffed, I'm gonna take some of this, degrease it. Then I, depending on what the part is, tape up bits and bops, hang it up on my custom made, yeah, rack here, and give it some coats of paint. It's cold out, so I got a space heater running in here to heat up the room, and I got a fan blowing on this thing. And I'm doing all this to avoid that. I mean, it's just wiring and parts freaking everywhere. Just, oh God. So yeah, I've been avoiding wiring by painting parts. I mean, they were gross, so they had to be painted, so fine. But I'll get to the wiring eventually. I'm telling you, this truck's gonna kill me. But I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna find a way to get it done. I am bound and determined to get this thing done. So, I'll try to post more videos about what's going on. A lot of it has just been because, not to make excuses, but I get off work and I got about an hour of daylight before it gets dark and cold. So I rush over there, work on the truck, and then the sun goes down, it's cold, and you know, it's, anyway. So, and then I've tried to set up some video and it just looks like garbage because it's dark outside, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to start filming some more stuff. Hopefully I can get some, I do have some footage, but I'll try to put it together. This is for the Papaw truck build, 2004 Silverado. Truck was good to me, so I'm being good to it back and fixing it up. Hoping to take it to Hot Rod Power Tour, hoping to go to No Name Nationals. We'll see. Hopefully I can take you guys along for a little bit more of the ride. I've just been running and gunning like nonstop. So anyway, y'all be good out there. See ya.